you're gonna sink, just like that. And then that's gonna get your depth as you open up. And then you're gonna pull tension straight up. And with this one, you're not gonna stand up, you're just gonna pull that. And you're gonna lean back and pull that through as you go right up to the base of the occiput. And with this one, you want to get that extension. That opens that up. You're going to back off. You're going to pull that tension and come up nice and easy. And you can see I'm using this opposite leg to kind of help with some of that motion as well. And when this area is dysfunctional, it can cause a lot of problems in there. But you don't want to go too far. You go to maybe about C3 is the furthest you want to go. Get some of that extension to open it up. And then you're going to pull that tension straight up. That's going to help that open